for a Technomatrix plant simulation model. To create our plant simulation model, we have to click on the create a new model. Now select it according to your design. Select the 2D or 3D. Now you will choose a 2D first. This is a workspace where you are going to work, and these are all the materials which are you going to use, and you can get a material flow in this column also. Okay, now the starting is a source. You have to select a source, drag and drop it here. After that, this is a source from where your material will come. Now after that, if you have to process that material, then you can use a processor, single processor. This is a single processor unit. Now you have to, after processing that unit, you have to convey it to another plant. So you can use a conveyor belt. This is a line conveyor. You can double click on it and adjust the length of a conveyor. This is a length. You can adjust, give it at 10 meters and all. This is 10. You can when you will apply it, the length of the conveyor will change. Now if you have to change the time for which the it takes to convey the material, you have to change the speed of the conveyor. Whenever the speed is see, now speed is 1, length is 10, so use the formula speed is equal to distance upon time. You can get the time. Change the speed to 0.5, the time will be more. The time taken is 20 seconds. We will keep it at 1 only right now. Apply. Now this is line conveyor. Now if you have to convert the conveyor material in an angular manner, you have to use an angular conveyor. So you can drag and drop and extend the size from an angular conveyor. Same again here, you can adjust the parameter, timers and attributes. Now after you can assemble the your material in an assembly point. This is an assembly. As we can see, after conveying the material, this is an assembly point. Now you can set the timing for an assembly point in this timers: the process time, setup time, recovery time, and the cycle time. After assembling, we have to put a drain to end the process. This is a drain. Now, to connect all the process, we have to use a connector. Now this is a connector. Drag a connector from the source point to the single. Now connections are made. Now to run the assembly, you have to click on this green button, start or stop simulation. This is a 10 times faster speed. To go to real time, click on this real time. Now this is a real time process going on. This is the source. Process time it takes here, conveyor time, angular conveyor time, assembly point, and finally it goes off to the drain.